If you have already worked with leads, contacts, or any other record types and need to get them imported into vtiger, you can do so by using vtiger's CSV import tool, which allows you to import CSV records into vtiger in batches and eliminates the need to create records one by one. The process for importing CSV files is identical across all modules. To serve as an example, let's try importing some records into the Leads module. To get started, navigate to the Leads module. From the list view of the leads, click on the Actions button and select the Import menu item. On the Import page, you can browse through your system files for the CSV file that you want to upload. Once selected, choose your character encoding type, which is usually UTF-8. You can also select the delimiter type, which for CSV files is the comma. Lastly, if your CSV file has headers, you can opt to not create a record from the first row of your CSV file. During the import, you might find that there are duplicate records in your CSV file. In this case, you can tell vtiger how to handle those duplicate records by choosing one of three options, which are to skip any duplicates, to overwrite the record currently in vtiger with the record in the CSV file, or to merge the two records into one. Once you've finished configuring your import settings, clicking the Next button will take you to a page that allows you to map each of the columns in your CSV file to a field in the vtiger record that you'll be creating. You might find that vtiger has already selected some fields for you. This is because vtiger tries to match up the CSV column headers with fields in vtiger. Because mistakes can be made, be sure to check that all of the automatically mapped columns are correctly mapped to fields, and to create any other mappings as necessary. Note that all mandatory fields, marked with an asterisk, should be mapped to a column. If there are any field values that you want to be entered in the place of a blank value, you can do so using the default setting. Setting a default field will input that value only if no other value is passed over from the CSV file. Lastly, once mappings are set up, if you foresee having to import a file with the same columns in the future, select the Save As Custom Mapping box and provide a name for this mapping. This mapping will appear in the Use Saved Mapping pick list that is shown on the top. Now, to start the import process, click on the Import button. The import process will generate a report showing the number of records imported, created, overwritten, skipped, merged, and failed. This page also lets you start a new import using the Import More button, see the last imported records, and even delete the records that were just imported using the Undo Last Import button. Note that if your CSV file has data that does not match up with a field in vtiger, you should create that new custom field before attempting to import the CSV file. Creating custom fields is covered in another video tutorial. For more information or for assistance importing records into vtiger, please visit vtiger.com/help or email us at support@vtiger.com. Thanks for watching.